Hey guys, welcome to this month's video. Today I will be showing you how to make easy mud cakes and the chemistry behind it. My name is Natalie and I hope you will enjoy this video. To start off, we will need all-purpose flour, white sugar, baking powder, and this is important and I will explain it later on in the video. You'll need salt, butter, milk, and you will need vanilla. Okay, to start off, add all of the dry ingredients to a microwave safe cup or mug. So this would be 1/4 cup and 1 1/2 teaspoons of flour. You will then add 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder to the dry ingredients. Then add 2 tablespoons of sugar. And last but not least, for the dry ingredients, you will add a pinch of salt or just a dash of salt. It's really up to you to determine how much salt you want to put in, and salt is mostly for just the flavor, as I will explain later on in the video. At this point, your mug should look like this. And for the next ingredients, this will be the liquid ingredients. So grab your milk, any kind of milk will do, and add 3 tablespoons of milk. Okay, next is time for the 2 tablespoons of melted butter. So put a bit of your regular butter into a small bowl or container like what I am doing and put it in the microwave for about 30 seconds, I think, 30 seconds each, and measure it out in your tablespoons. And make sure it comes out to 2 tablespoons as what I am doing right now. Then add 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. But right now I'm adding just a bit of vanilla without any measurement, just about that size. Okay, so your mixture should look like this, and when you mix it, make sure it's all smooth. Make sure you get all of the sides and the bottom too. Make sure when you're done, there should be no clump or you shouldn't see any flour left inside. Cook it in the microwave for about 70 to 90 seconds and allow it to rest for 1 minute. As you can see, it became an actual cake. You can put a bit of chocolate chips or sprinkles if you would like, just to make it taste better. Or if you could eat plainly like that, that's okay too. So, the soft and spongy texture, as you can see here, is from the baking powder we added. And note that there are a bit bubbles. So, the baking powder we added is called sodium hydrogen carbonate. Its chemical formula is NaHCO3. This is 1 Na, which is sodium, which we usually find in our salt, 1 H, which is hydrogen, hence the name has hydrogen in it, and 1 C, which is carbon, and 3 O's, which is oxygen. The CO3 is called carbonate. Therefore, the name sodium hydrogen carbonate makes sense. When baking powder is added to the mixture, carbon dioxide gas, which is CO2, which is also the air we breathe in, is released. As you can see, when I mixed the mixture, there were bubbles and the cake had a few holes and bubbles when it came out of the microwave. This indicated that there were bubbles, which proves that the addition of baking powder causes bubbles in the wet mixture to expand, making the cake spongy and puffy. Similarly, butter is also a very important component in cakes. The carbon dioxide that releases, which I mentioned before, becomes trapped because of the butter as it bakes. Butter has a particular texture, more so dense, which is why it can trap the CO2. When it bakes, all of the trapped carbon dioxide makes the cake expand, which is why it is so good to eat. Okay, other ingredients. Other ingredients also play a crucial component in baking cakes. So, milk adds on to the moisture of the cake. Without milk, the cake would be really dry. Flour is also really important in a cake. Flour adds on to the structure of the cake, making it expand. Also, one of the functions of the carbon dioxide and baking powder. Sugar adds on to its texture. Salt adds on to its flavor, while vanilla extract also adds on to the flavor. That's why when you can smell it, it smells really nice. That is the doing of salt and vanilla extract. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and if you would like more information or to contact me, I will add my website in the description below. Have a great day and or night, and I will see you next month. Bye.